Have you ever wondered why the stock market does what it does? Well, you've come to the right place, the Market Breath, for a TLDR view on what's going on. The market calm was shattered last week. The latest tariff shock took the market to critical support levels. So much for the tariff pause. Now we're back to tariff drama, trauma, and noise. All right, let's take a look at the impact, first of all, on my favorite technical indicator, the percentage of stocks trading above their 50-day moving averages, what I like to call AT50. You notice how it fell from this overbought threshold, which is 70%. Well, typically that's a bearish thing or a signal, but this time is a little different because the market is well supported below. What do I mean by that? Well, the S&P 500, notice how on the tariff shock, it conveniently opened right here at this support, and buyers initially did buy off of that support and created a bounce. Notice also the blue line, which is the 200-day moving average, is also providing converged support there. Above here is the post-election close. Notice how we almost had a breakout above that would have brought the all-time highs back into view. So that part is over. I went ahead and speculated on a bounce from that support line with some call option spreads. We'll see what happens. The NASDAQ did not test any key support levels, at least from my perspective for the week. I tend to think it's going to float down before it goes back up because support must be tested in this kind of environment. And finally, we have the ETF of small caps, IWM. Unfortunately, that nice uptrend line was broken, and it looks like it's going to head towards its 50-day moving average support, which is that red line. I did speculate on some call options. Looks like it's not going to work given that support failed. All right, let's take a look at some more stocks of the week. Thanks for making it this far, but if you need more details, you can check me out on YouTube at Ahan Analytics. You can also read more details on my blog at drduru.com/122. Don't forget to like and share this content so the algorithm knows what's up. You can also leave comments and feedback below, and don't forget to come back for more.